This might be the day God opens the window of heaven and pours out on my soul. This might be the day God blows my mind.
In this text, in verse number 7, he says, Sovereign Lord. You're sovereign. In your sovereignty speaks to the fact that you can do whatever you want to do, when you want to do it, how you want to do it. You don't have to ask anybody's permission, but because you are the sovereign Lord, and because you're in control of everything, you can do whatever you want to do. He says, Sovereign Lord, be thou my strong deliverer. You shielded my head from the battle. Now, why is it significant, David, that you're pointing out that he has shielded your head from the battle? It is noted that of all the places on your body, out of your biological makeup, the most sensitive place that an enemy can hit you is in the head. Because when the enemy hits you in the head, you become a little discombobulated and you can't think right, and you can't see straight, and you can't tell your right hand to pick up and wipe the sweat from your brow. You can't tell your left foot to walk because the enemy has hit you in the head. This is why, in terms of the military and the United States and another country going to war against them, they seek to launch their missiles and their attack to the White House, because the White House is the head of the United States, and they know that if they can cause a distortion in the White House, then they can cause a distortion in the United States. And if they cause the distortion to happen in the United States, then they can do some other things that will catch us off guard. And if they do those things, then they stand a chance of conquering the United States. So this is why David is giving us this metaphor here, that you have covered my head from the attacks of the enemy. In military war, in David's day, most of the time, they had what they called an armor bearer that stood beside them. And it was the responsibility of this armor bearer to kind of protect them. The armor bearer had to stand around and watch. And if they saw that the enemy was coming, and if they saw that the enemy was about to attack the head, the armor bearer had to lift up a standard against them. But can I tell you, what David is saying in this text, can't no ordinary armor bearer do this thing for me. Can't no ordinary man fight this battle. I realize that you are the sovereign Lord, and if there's going to be protection from my head, you're the only one that can do it. Because you have all power, because you have all authority, because all you gotta do is speak one word, and when the blow might hit my mind, it'll go deeper and go around me, because you are the sovereign Lord. Now, what does that mean to the 21st century believer in terms of the mind?
The enemy is trying to confuse your mind, because